for the night they met was warm with laughter. The words were music, but she turned away. I'll meet you at midnight under the moonlight. I'll meet you at midnight, but Jean-Claude Louis Marie will never be.
Papai do Orte. Ah,